Joining us in a first on CNBC interview is Pfizer Chair and CEO Bourla, along with our very own Meg Terrell. Meg, kick things off for us.
Well, Kelly, thanks so much. Albert, thanks for being with us. Let's start right there on the guidance and the outlook for the rest of the year. You had some headwinds from foreign exchange that affected both the top and bottom line outlooks. You reiterated your revenue guidance for the year, but it did affect earnings. How are you looking at kind of the contributions from both the underlying business and the COVID business for the rest of the year?
No. The exchange rate, we covered both in revenues and in EPS. In fact, we gave exactly the same revenues guidance and exactly the same EPS guidance. We just have an accounting treatment which is different. We have different way of accounting given of the requests from the U.S. authorities, how to account adjusted towards non-adjusted in process R&D. So we have a separate line that has the in-process R&D, that's 11 cents, and as a result, we reduced 10 cents the guidance, just to reflect only that. There is 10 cents impact of exchange rate, but we are absorbing it all.
And just thinking about the underlying business and the COVID business, I think analysts and investors are really trying to get a sense for how those are both performing. How are you looking at it for the rest of the year?
I think it performed according to our plans. In fact, in terms of budget, they were a little bit ahead in our own calculations. This gives us the comfort level to reiterate our guidance of 98 to 100, which is 100 billion in the mean point of revenues, despite the fact that we had $2 billion of exchange rate. So in reality, operationally, we increased our guidance by 2 billion. When it comes to COVID or the vaccine or the treatment, most of the exchange rate actually affected these businesses. We had between the two of them $1.5 billion of negative exchange rate. Dollar is getting very strong compared to euro, to the Japanese currency, to compare everything. So as a result, we maintain the same guidance, but this means that our combined sales of Paxlovid and Comirnaty increased by $1.5 billion.
Well, it's a headwind that more and more people are going to be facing. I'm glad that you mentioned it, and it explains why the shares are shaking it off. Let's get back to COVID for just a moment. For kids, for instance, I have heavy, large children. Why not do the vaccines by weight instead of by age?
It is a standard practice that the regulators are asking in how to do that. It's not always the weight that counts. It is also how mature the immune system of the kids. And it has been found that it is better to lump the age. This is based on age rather than weight.
Understood. What is the timing now for your vaccine, you think, to receive emergency use authorization from the FDA for children under the age of 5?
I think we will submit pretty soon data on the third dose. Just to remind everyone that we submitted data on 2 doses back in February, months ago, to the FDA. I think actually I came to your show and I discussed that a little bit. The data were pretty much in line with what Moderna, for example, has publicly stated. We just didn't feel that the 2 doses is the right one. These results, I don't think we found them adequate. So as a result, we felt that we should go to a third dose. And this is what we're having right now. The third dose will be submitted in the next few weeks. We did release data. What is the difference between 2 or 3 doses in an Omicron environment in kids above 5 years old? And the difference was astonishing. It was 36 times higher, 36 times fold immune responses higher in the third compared to the second dose. I don't have any reasons to believe that will be any lesser in young kids, the younger than 5, although we have to see it.